In this video, I will show you how to easy change password on Alibaba.com. Let's go. First, open the Alibaba mobile app. And then go here and click on My Alibaba in the right down corner. Next step is scroll down, all the way down, and click Settings. And then change password. Click on it. After you click change password, here you can put your current password, and here you confirm your new password. Make sure your password is at least 6 letters and also includes some numbers or symbols. And then you click next, and that's it, you're done. I'm gonna show you one more time how to do it. So open the app and then go here, click My Alibaba, all the way down, click Settings, change password, and here we go. You can change it here. If there is any like verification, they're gonna send you a verification code on your email, and you just copy this code and you paste it, and that's it, and you can change your password. Sometimes is this verification there, but it's okay, it's easy. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe, and see you one click later. Goodbye.